Hello, my name is Edwin Vellones and I am from Barangay 33-D, Davao City. I am the owner of Nanay Merly Laundry, Water Refilling, and Mini Store. For Nanay Merly laundry services, we do full service such as wash, dry, and fold. We can cater students, we can also cater those household that can no longer do their laundry. Walang yumayaman sa pagtatrabaho lang daw. So I started doing this business because I believe this business will expand my income, my capacity as also as an accountant. I was thinking how to do it. I was searching. I saw posts of Lababox. When I messaged them, very responsive. They provided how to do it.
Hi, this is Pan Ang of Lababox. We distribute laundry machines, commercial and industrial for Mindanao market as far as Lamitan, Basilan. So we have 6 regions covered in Mindanao. So we have the LG machines, the Electrolux for industrial, the BFF Farinelle for our Scarpa Vapor, which is a specialized machine for the shoes and the bags, and the lab system for our laundry business.
So when they forward the quotation, sobrang gulat kasi ganun pala kalaki ang kailangan for 5 machines. Immediately, nag-provide sila ng partner nila para makastart ako, which is the RFC. Immediately, nakipag-coordinate ako, na-provide, and that's it. I think RFC is such a good and a big help starting this business po. When all documents provided sa RFC, they immediately contact me. Dumaan si Saturday, Sunday, pero pagka Monday, I think afternoon, I receive a call na approve na po ang loan ko for this business. That's how fast it is. Very reliable, very concerned, and very hands-on po. Find a very good partner, which Lababox did it to me. And also, not just the Lababox, syempre may financial support, which RFC did it to me, na hindi sila natakot na magtiwala sa akin, na magpa-loan and all. I only operating for 11 months, but I will be expanding new branch for my laundry. I will be doing it with Lababox again. RFC is very accommodating and they will grant me again another loan. My name is Edwin Vellones, the owner of Nanay Merly Laundry and Water Refilling Station, and I am proud RFC ka-partner.